Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to buy a train ticket, please.
Sure. Where are you going?
I'm going to London.
Okay. When would you like to travel?
Today, please.
Morning or afternoon?
Morning, please.
Let me check. There is a train at 9:30 and another at 10.
I'll take the 10 o'clock train.
Great. One way or return?
Return, please.
Okay. Coming back today?
Yes, tonight.
Perfect. That's 15 pounds.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Please tap your card here. It didn't go through.
Oh, really? That's strange.
Let's try again. Please tap it once more.
Sorry.
It's still not working.
Oh, no. Maybe I don't have enough money on this card.
That's okay. Do you have another card or cash?
Yes, I have some cash. Here you go.
Perfect. Thank you. Here's your ticket and change.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. The train leaves from platform number 3.
Platform 3. Got it. Excuse me.
Oh, is everything okay?
I'm sorry. I think there's a problem with my ticket.
Oh, what's wrong?
It says 9:30 on the ticket, but I wanted the 10 o'clock train.
Oh, I see. Let me check that for you.
Thank you.
Yes, you're right. It says 9:30. I must have printed the wrong one.
Oh, can you change it, please?
Of course, no problem at all.
Thank you so much.
Here's the correct ticket. 10 o'clock to London, return tonight.
Perfect. That's the one I wanted.
I'm so sorry for the mistake.
That's okay. Don't worry. Mistakes happen.
Thank you for understanding.
You are very kind and helpful.
Thank you. Enjoy your trip.
Thanks. I'll go to platform 3 now.
All right. Don't miss your train.
Ha ha, I won't. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a safe journey.